If that is theta 1, and we can write d1n is equal to d1 cos theta 1, and e1t, that is theta 1, that is also theta 1 here, as you can see, that is theta 1. We can take theta 1 here and here too. So 1t is equal to sin theta 1, and 1n is equal to cos theta 1. So now we can write it, sin theta 1 d1 cos theta 1. Okay, again, if you really just consider the fact of theta 1, if you want to consider the fact of theta 2, how this theta 2 works. If it is theta 2, so the e2n, that is theta 2, so which angles will be theta 2? This is the only sole angle theta 2 between these two. So e2t is equal to e2 sin theta 2, that is e2 sin theta 2, e2 to e2 sin theta 2, sinusoidal component. That will be cosinusoidal component. So d2n is equal to, d2n will be d2 cos theta 2. Now you can find it out, d2 cos theta 2. So we can find this equation number 1, and d1 cos theta 1, d2 cos theta 2 here. And if we just apply the equation of d is equal to epsilon e, so you can write d1 is equal to epsilon 1 e1 cos theta 1, and d2 is equal to epsilon 2 e2 cos theta 2. And if we divide equation 1 and 2, we can find out e1 sin theta 1 divided by epsilon e1 cos theta 1 is equal to e2 sin theta 2 divided by epsilon 2 e2 cos theta 2, and by this we can get tan theta 1 tan theta 2, tan theta 1 tan theta 2, 1 by epsilon 1, that will be go through to there, 1 by epsilon 2, that will go through to there, epsilon 2 tan theta 1, epsilon 1 tan theta 2. So tan theta 1 divided by tan theta 2 is equal to epsilon 1 divided by epsilon 2, and epsilon 1 you can write epsilon naught r1 divided by epsilon naught r2, and when the epsilon naught been cancelled both sides, you can get epsilon r1 epsilon r2, the part of the relative permittivity. Okay, as we know, epsilon is equal to epsilon naught, as we know epsilon, that means the permittivity of some medium is equal to epsilon naught, that means the permittivity of free space into the relative permittivity. Then we can find out this tan theta 1 tan theta 2 epsilon r1 epsilon r2 and that is the law of refraction. So we can also find out the similarity of optics and also electric